Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Mail Monday.
Hello, ladies.
Hey there. Today is another Mail Monday, where we are going to be sharing some more stickers that we have gotten in the past couple weeks. And I am really excited for this because it has been so fun seeing all the different stickers coming in. In fact, I've got about 15 of them in the past few days, and so I'll be splitting them up into 2 separate videos. And so today we're going to share about half of them, and then I will also share with you my idea of how I will be displaying them. So our first sticker today is from, I believe you pronounce it Troubaduo. And they are a Christian music channel, and they are just fun to listen to. Then we have one that says Camping in the Moonlight, and it's from the family Camping with the Lats. Then we have Melnetti Living Free Zip Codeless. I hope I'm saying your names right as well. Then we have an Instagram friend. They don't have a YouTube channel, but they are very talented people, and they are Rat Rod Sam and Dragon Mom 269, and that's what their sticker says. Says this home likes to roam. Then we have RV Travels Adventures. Then we have Run Away with Us. No Fixed Address. You gonna hold it up there?
No fixed address.
And last but certainly not least, a really fun channel to watch is the Brazen Brits. I really get a kick out of them. They are so fun. So glad you sent us your sticker. We really appreciate it. Now we're going to show you how we've decided to display our stickers. I decided to use this foam board right here.
Yep.
Because I was really worried that when we sold this trailer or traded it in or whatever we did, because we knew we weren't going to be in this trailer forever, that I would lose out on all the stickers if I put them on the trailer itself. So I decided to come up with this solution instead, and it's just basically a foam board. And I will be putting the stickers on here, and then I will also be laminating it with the self-stick laminated paper that you can just get on a roll to cover it all up and to protect it. So we're excited to get that started. And probably what I'll be doing up there along the top border that I left open is where I'm going to put our name logo, that kind of thing on there. So anyway, those are the stickers that we've gotten so far that I did the other videos on. And so we'll be putting those other ones that we introduced today. And then you'll see some more new ones for next week. You can find the link to this foam board on the comments down below. We now have our on Amazon affiliate link. So we are really excited to be able to share the products that we use and our ideas for camping that we would like to be doing eventually, and products that we have enjoyed, and also the different kinds of foods and alternative sugars and flours that I have used in my Foodie Friday videos. The links to those are also on there as well. So all you have to do is go check in on those Foodie Friday videos, and you'll see the links. And the link to this foam board will be down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.
We got them.
Oh yes, thank you, Summer, for reminding me. Come over here, talk to them.
We got them.
Subscribe.
Like.
And like.
And bye.
Bye.